You want to create a vertical scrolling text like this. I'm going to teach you how to do that. So what you have to do is to come to your Premiere Pro and drop your clip. Then this is the background I prefer to use. Then after that you can bring in your text. So first you just select your text. You select your text, then you type in your text and just come here and let me just paste my text. So once you've pasted your text, you can come to effect control here where you have your text, and you can choose the font you want to use or whatever style of alignment you want to give your text. You can or then to highlight it, you can come to the vector motion here, select click on this your position keyframe and shift it a bit forward, then mark another keyframe and take it up. Okay, let's take this first keyframe down away from the screen, or when it's showing a bit, let's just take it away from the screen. Then the second keyframe should be when it leaves the frame upwards. So let me start again. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So you come to this place, you come to your position here, you mark your first keyframe, which is here. Then you move forward, you mark your second keyframe, which is this. So at the first keyframe, we move it downward till it leaves the frame. Then in the second keyframe, you move it upward till it leaves the frame. So you can now play it and see what I'm talking about. So this is it. If it's too fast, you can take the two keyframes farther from each other. Then you can actually stretch this text out a bit. Then you can now play it and see what we've created. So let's play it. So this is it playing. All right, let's play it again. This is it. If it is too slow, the more closer the two keyframes are, the faster it becomes. Then if you feel you want it to be a bit or to be slow, you can take the two keyframes farther from each other. So that's how to create this scrolling vertical text. Do well to subscribe. If you have any question, you ask in the comment below. I will do well to answer, and also subscribe, and see you in the next video.